Hey, what's going on, guys? Even though it's Tuesday, it's the start of a huge week. I didn't start yesterday because the weather was just bad. It was really cold and windy. But anyway, I just got off work and I'm about to start on this. What I got going on is, so on the Civic that I just bought from auction, if you remember, there was a bunch of oil in the spark plug wells. So I'm gonna need to take off the valve cover and just replace all the seals, which shouldn't be bad. And then other than that, this car is pretty much ready to go, except this rear tail light that's kind of busted. I need to figure out what the problem is though, because the blinker, the reverse, and everything else works except the brake light. So we'll see what's going on with that. But the main concern for now is definitely to get the new seals on here. That way it's ready to go to emissions and ready to start the daily grind. Before I get started, I kind of want to explain to you guys why I feel like the week is so huge. So on Monday, the 2nd of March, a car that I've been looking for a while, and it's a decent one, is gonna come up at auction. But the only way that I'm gonna be able to buy that car is if I sell either the Civic or the Prelude. But as I was saying, like in my previous videos and stuff, I'm leaning now towards actually selling the Prelude and keeping the Civic as the daily, just because one, it'll use a lot less gas than the Prelude, and two, there's just more room with the 4 doors on the Civic than the 2 on the Prelude, because I'm always running around trying to grab stuff and everything, so the Prelude really isn't too practical for me right now. So that's what's going on, guys. It's Tuesday. I got till Monday to try to make something happen with either of these cars, which will most likely be the Prelude. But yeah, enough talking, let's get to it, guys. All right, guys, here's the valve cover. These seals, they do kind of look cracked here and along the side, so that's probably why it was leaking. And plus the valve cover wasn't really tightened that far down, so that definitely, I think, was the cause of like what's going on. Because other than that, everything inside the head looks really good, so I don't think there's really any problems going on. This is what it looks like now. I gotta clean all this oil off around there for the seals to sit right. I already kind of got here, but I'm gonna go ahead and take all this little black shit off right here, because it's like gasket maker that they used for the other gasket, which was sealed really good. But I just gotta wipe it down with the rag and some brake clean, have it be all really good, and then we'll be good to start putting it back together. See if the camera could pick up the noise. Like, they feel like cardboard almost, whereas the new one, like, don't even make noise. Alright, guys, I got the spark plugs out and everything, and they weren't even the right plugs. Look at where does it say? Bosch right there. For any of you who don't know, don't get Bosch. For Hondas, NGK only. to go. Everything here with the spark plugs and everything's good. I just put the battery in. I checked the air filter and it's pretty clean actually. It seems like whoever had this car really took good care of it. Everything else looks good, guys. Now the moment of truth, I just gotta turn the key and hopefully it starts back up again. It should though, it should. It's her. There's some white smoke coming out. That's just the oil that fell on top of the pistons when I took the spark plugs out. Yeah, it definitely smells like that, but cool. Well, there it is, guys. Cool. Well, there it is, guys. This Civic is officially ready to go back on the street. I just gotta go get emissions and just the title and plates and shit. But yeah, this one's ready to go now. Tomorrow, once I get off work, I will well, also depending if I'm able to get like the title and everything and the plates and everything but it depends. If I'm able to get like the plates and everything for the Civic tomorrow, I will start fixing up on the Prelude, because I can't really start fixing on the Prelude before I get the plates on this, because then I won't have a car to move around. But that's where we're gonna leave it off for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching so much. I really appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and just keep doing what you love, guys. Peace.